floor. First floor, going up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Let's see which one comes up next. Left or right? Left. I guess the right one's broken. Boy, these were Montgomery. Yeah, that keyhole is definitely a Monty. Yeah, interlocks. Oh no, these are not AG. Yeah, these are GA, alright.
Eighth floor, going down.
Oh my god, that voice. Jesus fucking Christ. A total failure of an elevator. But it is a brand I haven't heard before, so I don't know. Wonder what I think about this crappy company. We'll have to figure in the future. I have to see more installations from them, I guess. But these are pretty nice. Pretty nice cabs there. But I have to go now, so see ya.